Hello, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we delve into another fascinating word in the English language. Today's word is conquer. So, what does conquer mean? Well, at its core, conquer is a verb, and it means to defeat or take control of a place or person by use of military force. It can also mean to overcome a difficulty or problem. It's a C1 level word, so it's a great one to add to your vocabulary if you're aiming for advanced English fluency. Let's explore how we use this word in everyday language. We often see it used in historical contexts when discussing battles and empires. For example, the Roman Empire conquered vast territories. But conquer isn't just limited to the battlefield. It can also describe overcoming personal challenges. Now, let's look at some synonyms for conquer. A good synonym is vanquish. We can say, the knight vanquished the dragon, which is similar to saying he conquered it. Another synonym is subdue. For instance, the rebels were eventually subdued by the government forces. Another useful synonym is overcome. We might say, she overcame her fear of public speaking. Notice how each of these words has a slightly different nuance, but they all convey the idea of winning or gaining control. Yet another synonym is defeat. A sentence example could be our team defeated the opponents in the final match. Now, let's consider some antonyms, words that have the opposite meaning of conquer. The most obvious antonym is lose. We can say, the army lost the battle, directly contrasting with conquering. Another antonym is surrender. For example, the soldiers decided to surrender to the enemy. Another important antonym is fail. A sentence example could be despite his best efforts, he failed to conquer his addiction. Similarly, succumb serves as an antonym. For example, he succumbed to the pressure of his job. Another useful antonym is yield. One could say, the country was forced to yield to the demands of a larger nation. Now, let's explore how conquer can be used in everyday life. It's not always about epic battles. You might say, I'm going to conquer my inbox today, meaning you're going to tackle all those emails. Or, she conquered her fear of heights by going skydiving. These examples show how conquer can be applied to everyday challenges and personal growth. We can also use it in the context of achieving goals. For example, he finally conquered his procrastination and finished the project. Let's solidify our understanding with more usage examples. The athlete conquered the marathon, setting a new personal best. Scientists are working to conquer diseases like cancer and Alzheimer's. The musician conquered the stage, captivating the audience with her performance. The politician promised to conquer poverty in the region. Through hard work and dedication, she conquered all obstacles and achieved her dreams. Now for some phrases using conquer. Someone might say, divide and conquer, which means to gain power by causing disagreement between people. You may also hear someone say, he conquered his demons, meaning he overcame his inner struggles. Another phrase is she's conquering the world, meaning she's being very successful. So, to recap, conquer means to defeat or take control, often by force, but it can also mean to overcome a challenge. We explored synonyms like vanquish, subdue, overcome, and defeat, and antonyms like lose, surrender, fail, succumb, and yield. We also looked at how conquer is used in both historical contexts and everyday situations to describe overcoming obstacles and achieving goals. Thank you so much for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this exploration of the word conquer helpful. Before you go, I have a small favor to ask. If you enjoy this podcast, please subscribe and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show, so we can continue to learn and grow together. Also, I'd love to see how you use the word conquer. Create your own sentence using conquer and share it as a comment below. Until next time, Keep exploring the wonderful world of words.